Hey guys, it's Miss Chris again. Today's project is going to be pretty special. We're going to do how to calm your mind and feed your spirit. And before we do that, I need to give you a little background on me. Years ago, I opened an enrichment center for children and taught art there as an artist for about 20 years, and then went to a private school and taught there. And what I learned through that period of time is that one of the things that the kids really loved to do was when we would ice skate. And now in Louisiana, we don't have any ponds that freeze over, and we don't have any ice skating, so this is an imaginary thing. And so we imagine it onto paper. And throughout the years, I've discovered that of all the classes that I've taught and all the little special projects that I did, this one was everyone's favorite, and I think it's going to end up being yours too. So for today, you're only going to need, at this point, is a pencil and a piece of paper. And it can be a piece of computer paper, it can be cardstock, it can be cardboard paper, anything, any surface that you want to ice skate on. Okay, I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to imagine that you're in a forest and it's been snowing outside. All the trees are loaded with snow. Can you see it? You can see the icicles sparkle in the sun. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Make sure your eyes are closed. Now the sky is blue, and the frozen ice on the pond is so blue. And you're sitting on a stump next to the pond because you've got to put your skates on. You are an excellent ice skater, by the way. So now pretend you're standing up and you are about to push yourself off onto the ice. Okay, you're going to find a spot on your paper, doesn't matter where. And remember, now you've got your ice skates on. We're going to go skate out to the center of the pond. We're going to pirouette around, we're going to look around, and we're going to realize we need to go to this side of the pond and look around. And then we're going to check out that tree over there that had all the ice on it. And then we're going to come, we definitely don't want to leave this corner out. So we're going to circle around here. We might, swing around over here and maybe, do another one of those little circle things. And then we are off. And that's how you ice skate on paper. Okay, now that we've ice skated, what I need you to do is we're going to take each shape as its own little special element, and we're going to fill it with a pattern. And it doesn't matter what kind of pattern, anything that you want. As a matter of fact, there's some designs on my apron that are flowers that would make a great pattern. You can use that too. So we're going to fill up each one of these with a different pattern, and then these are doodle patterns. This is what I call my little cheat sheet. Here are some ideas of different things that you can do, and when I show you the next step, you're just going to freak. It's just so much fun, because the one thing that this does, and that's where I truly believe that this is why this is the children's favorite process or activity, is because it's so calming. So if you've got a stressful time in your life and you just really need to calm your brain, this is one of those ways to do that. And you can see all the little different ideas of patterns that are here. And some of them are just as simple as just dots and stripes. So there's no wrong way to do it. But I want to show you this, because you see, I don't want to dictate how you finish this. I would like for you to create your own and think about how you want to fill that in and how you want to express yourself, because the beautiful thing about this is that there will be no piece of art in the world like it. No one is going to do the same way. No one skates the same way, and no one's going to pick the same patterns. And so you're going to find this to be probably one of the most soothing activities that you can do. Now, me personally, I prefer to use black paper, and this is why. And you can see these are just stripes. I actually used colored pencils on this project, and these are all made up designs that I did. And you notice I didn't finish it off. I did want to finish some of it here, but I wanted to leave enough undone so you could see the process and how it's done. And it creates such a beautiful picture. It's abstract, but it's also your original piece of art. All right. Thank you again for joining us at the Artsy Tree. I hope you enjoyed the little ice-capade. And I want to suggest that you actually consider inviting your family to sit in and do that together. It's a very easy project. Anyone can do it. And it's extremely calming, and I think that you all will thoroughly enjoy it. And with this pandemic going on, we all need different ways to release stress, and this one is probably my favorite way to release stress and relieve stress, and I think you will love it. So I appreciate that you joined the Artsy Tree. Jennifer and I will be bringing some other activities to you. We'd love to hear back from you. We do have a Facebook page, the Artsy page. We hope that you will join it, like it, share it with your friends, and we definitely are going to leave it open for you to comment, because we would like to hear from you. We want to know what your interests are, but most of all, what we want is we want to see your work. We would love to see you do some of the things that we're doing, and let us see and let us celebrate your art. So thank you again for joining us at the Artsy Tree.